Ocean and continents, and 25 MCQs are here from the chapter. So let us start. First question is, ocean influence climate mainly through, and the options are volcanic eruption, ocean current, earthquake, mining activity. Ocean current. Continent affect climate by blocking and redirecting winds, producing ocean current, creating tides, changing earth orbit. So blocking and redirecting winds. What is the motto of the Indian Navy? Satyamev Jayate, Vyam Raksham, Sam no Varuna, Jai Hind. That is Sam no Varuna. What does Sam no Varuna mean? Victory to India. May Lord Varuna be auspicious to us. Truth alone trim, service before self. So, may Lord Varuna be auspicious unto us. This is the meaning. What is a sea? A small river, a large body of salt water, usually connected to an ocean, a freshwater lake, a mountain valley. So, a large body of salt water usually connected to an ocean. What is a bay? A narrow channel between two land masses, a body of water partly enclosed by land, a waterfall, an underground water source. A body of water partly enclosed by land. Which of the following is usually larger and more enclosed by land? Gulf, bay, pond, stream. Gulf. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Which is the third largest ocean in the world? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Indian Ocean. Which is the smallest ocean in the world? Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Which disaster involved strong rotating wind, earthquake, cyclone, tsunami, landslide? That is cyclone. Sudden overflow of water onto normally dry land is called flood, drought, earthquake, volcano. It is flood. Which natural disaster occurred when the earth crust suddenly shake? Cyclone, flood, earthquake, tsunami. So it is earthquake. Eurasia is made up of which two continents? Africa and Asia, Europe and Africa, Europe and Asia, Asia and Australia, Europe and Asia. What term is often used by geographers to describe the interconnected landmass of Africa, Europe and Asia? That is Gondwana, Laurasia, Afro-Eurasia or Pangaea. So it is Afro-Eurasia. What do the 5 Olympic rings represent? 5 sport, 5 host country, 5 united continent, 5 Olympic value. So the 5 Olympic rings represent the 5 united continent. Which is the largest island in the world? Borneo, Greenland, New Guinea, Madagascar. So it is Greenland. Most of the earth oxygen is produced by rainforest, ocean flora, desert, mountain. That is by ocean flora. World Ocean Day is observed on June 5, June 8, July 8, May 22. So it is on June 8. Okay. Which hemisphere contain more landmass on Earth? Southern Hemisphere, Northern Hemisphere, Eastern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere. So Northern Hemisphere contain more landmass on Earth. Which type of waste is most responsible for ocean pollution? Metal waste, plastic waste, glass waste, paper waste. So plastic waste. Oil spills in oceans mainly come from forest fire, ship and offshore drilling, rainwater, river. So it is from ship and offshore drilling. Dakshin Gangotri is located in Arctic region, Antarctica, Himalayas, Greenland. So it is in Antarctica. Dakshin Gangotri was buried due to volcanic eruption, earthquake, ice accumulation, flood. Due to ice accumulation. Which continent has no permanent human population? Europe, Antarctica, Asia, South America. Antarctica, right? So these are 25 MCQs, that is a multiple choice question answer from the chapter that is Oceans and Continent. So this much for this video, and thank you so much for watching until the end.